Most tire shops lose money before the customer even says yes. Why? Because the second someone says your competitor is cheaper, they panic. They instantly cut prices, drop margins, and try to save the sale at any cost. But here's the problem nobody talks about. That one reaction slowly trains customers to negotiate with you every single time. And over time, your profits disappear without you even noticing. Here's the good news. The smartest tire shops don't win by being the cheapest. They win by understanding something most businesses completely miss. By the end of this episode, you'll understand how profitable tire shops handle price objections without sounding defensive, desperate, or losing customers. And honestly, this mindset shift can completely change how your business grows long term. Because right now, tire businesses everywhere are under pressure. Costs are rising. Competition is everywhere. Customers compare prices in seconds. And many shop owners believe, if we're not the cheapest, we lose. But that's not actually true. The businesses struggling the most are usually not losing because of price alone. They're losing because customers don't see enough value. And this is where most people mess up. They think the conversation is about tires. It's not. It's about trust. Think about it. When someone needs tires, they're not just buying rubber. They're buying safety, convenience, speed, reliability. They want confidence that the job will be done properly. And smart tire shops understand this better than anyone. So let's break down exactly how they handle the famous, your competitor is cheaper. First thing, they stay calm. Sounds simple, but most businesses fail right here. The moment a customer mentions a lower price, panic kicks in, and you can hear it in the conversation immediately. Okay, we can reduce it. We'll match it. We'll do it cheaper. That reaction destroys your positioning, because now the customer feels your original price wasn't real in the first place. Confidence matters more than most businesses realize. Smart tire shops don't react emotionally. They pause. They ask questions. They stay professional, because sometimes the cheaper quote isn't even comparable. And here's something no one talks about. Customers often compare prices badly. One garage may quote only the tire itself. Another includes fitting, balancing, new valves, proper alignment checks, better quality brands, or warranty support. But if you don't explain the difference, the customer assumes both offers are identical. This is where smart businesses separate themselves. Instead of arguing over a few pounds, they educate. For example, just to clarify, our quote includes fitting, balancing, and premium quality valves. Some cheaper quotes leave those out. Simple, professional, no panic. And suddenly the conversation changes. Because now the customer isn't just comparing numbers anymore. They're comparing value. And value is where profitable businesses win. Let me ask you something. Have you ever paid slightly more for faster service or better trust? Most people have. Because deep down, customers know cheap can become expensive later. Bad fitting, poor service, low quality tires, wasted time. People remember those experiences. That's why smart tire shops focus heavily on what customers actually receive. Fast turnaround, trusted advice, reliable work, good communication. These things matter far more than many business owners realize. But don't skip this part. One of the smartest strategies is giving options. This completely changes the psychology of the sale. Instead of forcing customers into one expensive choice, smart tire shops offer budget, mid-range, and premium options. Why does this work so well? Because customers feel in control. And suddenly the discussion is no longer, why are you expensive? Now it becomes, which option works best for me? That's a massive difference. And interestingly, many customers won't even choose the cheapest option when given proper choices. They'll often pick mid-range because it feels balanced. But here's the mistake many businesses make. They assume every customer should be one. That's dangerous. Not every customer is your customer. Some people only care about the lowest price possible. Nothing else matters to them. And chasing those customers non-stop can destroy your business slowly. Low margins, high stress, constant complaints, no loyalty, Smart tyre shops understand when to walk away. Quick recap. When customers say, "Your competitor is cheaper," don't panic. Stay calm. Explain the difference clearly. Focus on value instead of arguing over price. Offer multiple options. And understand that not every low-price customer is worth chasing. Those small mindset shifts can completely change your profitability over time. If you run a tyre shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.